Yo, what's up? Another day. Sorry for my long absence. Wait. What? Ano ba yan? Fuck's this shit? I got a really shitty ass viewing angle right now. 2, 1, 2. Yes. Nice. Yo! What's up again? Sorry for this cluttered background. I have no place to film, but okay, it's not important. Guys, sorry for my long absence, but here, let's start reviewing a product that I have been waiting for a long time. This is the Logitech K380 keyboard that is a multi-device and Bluetooth keyboard. And you know, I've been choosing the various keyboards this past few weeks between the Logitech K380 and this Logitech K380 and the Logitech K480. But I figured I want something portable enough to be able to carry around, something that accomplishes its Bluetooth features with this F1, F2, F3, in which here you can connect 3 devices like the K480, but here it is a much more small, compact size, unlike the K480. So yeah, with Logitech being a known brand, it's unlikely for them to, disappoint its consumers. And, well, the main reason why I picked this kind of product is because of its Bluetooth functionality, first of all, and also its 2 years of battery life. But first, let's go to the unboxing. So ayan, nandito na nga siya. The multi-device K380 Logitech keyboard, Bluetooth enabled. Ito nga pa. Reminder pala na, kaya that's why you see things here, because I bought this second hand from Facebook Marketplace. So that's why it seems it's already opened, but it's still working good. Okay, so let's open it up. And here we see I believe is the warranty. Setup procedure and how to connect the Bluetooth. And here is the keyboard, a Logitech K380 keyboard. So this is the part where ASMR begins. ASMR ang potek. Yeah. Here is that beauty. Oh my god. I really love when companies make matte products. Like, the matte black of this Logitech K380 is very beautiful. Here is where we put the batteries. They're pre-installed. 2 AAA batteries, in which they say can last 2 years. Is the options: F1 for the first Bluetooth device, F2 pair to the second, and F3 pair to the third Bluetooth device. It's pretty thin, but it's well built. Can't see any flexing. And this is where we turn it on. And it's on. You just need to connect it to a device. The features this device has is that it has Bluetooth enabled, in which you can connect up to 3 devices compatible with a Mac, Android, Windows, Apple, and etc. It's a light keyboard that will help you when you are on the go, and it is very comfortable. As an advertised 2 years of battery life, so you won't be needing to be expecting any disconnections in the near future with only just 2 AAA batteries. Let's go to the connection on how we can connect this kind of keyboard. Okay, so the way we can connect our Bluetooth keyboard to our computer is, first we would need to, of course, turn this baby on. Then those 3 F2, F1, F3 lights will flash, and then hold one of these 3 keys in just 3 seconds. Then here you will see in blinking, which is in pairing mode. So now you will go to the computer and then add the Bluetooth or other device, and it should pop up. Here we go. Keyboard K380. Here it will ask you to enter the pin on the keyboard itself and press enter. So 991914 and enter. And there, the keyboard is now connected. And that's it. A very short video, but I hope it answered most of your questions. This is my review for the Logitech K380, which is a very nice kind of portable keyboard that you can take anywhere, and because of how silent it is when you are using it, you can use it when you go to the coffee shops, libraries, and any place without disturbing anyone because of its silent typing sound. That is, if you can go to those places because of COVID. So, if you are that type of person, this keyboard is for you. But this kind of keyboard, I think it's not for me. Sad thing is, I'm not that kind of person. But don't get me wrong though, I love the features this provides, but also its gorgeous matte texture. Here you can see it's matte black. See that gorgeous feature. Oh my god. But the only problem that I have is that for me personally, it's too silent. I don't mind a silent keyboard, don't get me wrong, but it's actually one of the pros of this. But I prefer noisy mechanical keyboards over this one. I was actually looking for a desktop replacement keyboard for my past, my past A4 Tech Office kind of keyboard. So, moving from a 60% keyboard that's very silent, I think it's not up to my taste. But for you, if you would like a portable keyboard that accomplishes everything you might need in a keyboard, only with a silent feature, then this keyboard is for you. Well, that's it. Expect some more reviews in the coming future of this channel. And I figured I should pop up once or twice in a while. I'm just doing this for my free time, so don't expect too much. Anyways, that's all. Goodbye, and thanks for watching. Before I forget, another feature of this keyboard, it's round type of keys. Unlike your usual keyboard, which has circle bobo, which has square types of keys. This takes some time to get used to, but it only take me like 30 minutes or so to get used to this type of thing. So keep that in mind. And also, it's a really small keyboard, to be honest. 60% type. So if it has a good aesthetic feeling, if you will put it into your desktop mount or anywhere you may want to put it in. Am I making sense? Yes, I'm making sense. Bahala na. Yes.